Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. In this quick video I'm gonna show you how to launch your Amazon EC2 instances. Alright, so as you guys can see, I'm on my AWS landing page. This is my personal AWS account that I'm using for a side project as well for training. So on top right here you can see I have an EC2 bookmark, I have an EC2 S3, and then a bunch more bookmark right here. You probably won't having this one in case you don't have it bookmark. So in case you don't see it, go to the search bar right here and type EC2, and then this will pop up right here. So the star button, the star right here show that I already have that bookmark, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on EC2 instance. Alright, so I'm on my EC2 dashboard. As you can see, instance type, there is a lot more information here that I'm not gonna go into. I have 0 instance running, 1 instance created that I've terminated. So I'm gonna go ahead and launch a new instance. So launch instance, click on here, launch, and then here you need to give a name to your instance. I'm gonna call it my EC2. So my EC2, just name it my EC2. You can give it whatever name you want, or just for training, so I just gonna give it my EC2 to go. OS type, just go ahead and click Amazon Linux. Instant type, make sure you select T2 micro. T2 micro is when you select the T2 micro for the instance type. For the instance type, make sure you select the T2 macro. That's the free tier. If you click on here, you have many more, but just sticking with the free tier since this is a demo for now. And then Keypairs are required to be able to SSH into your machine. So I have a dummy keypair. I'm gonna go ahead and create a new keypair. So I'm gonna save in my key. Again, you can name it wherever you want, and then make sure that you have PEM file created. So I'm gonna click on that and I select it. Make sure that you keep the file very secure. You will not need it in case you want to SSH into your machine. Alright, security group. You can create a new security group or use an existing security group. I had a bunch of other security groups that I've created. I can use them, or I can create a new security group. In this case right here, I'm just gonna create a new security group right here. I'm gonna create a new security group. And then storage, 8 GB. GP2, it's perfectly fine for me. Again, this is just for training, and if you want to add extra storage, you can add it, but again, this is for training. I'll probably be deleting pretty soon, so I'm gonna keep it simple. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on launch instances, and voila. So I have my new instances launched, and I can go down back here to the instances, and you see a new instance called my EC2, which is pending. It's probably gonna be launched pretty soon. I have instance ID, instance type, and then the region. So the first one on top right here is one of my previous instances that are already terminated. So you will be waiting a little bit for this instance to be up and running. So let's see if I can refresh it. It's still pending, so it take a couple of less than a minute usually for an instance to be up and running. Let's try it again. Alright, so the instance is gonna be up and running pretty soon, and I'm probably gonna be making another video on how to get more detail from that instance. So let me try one more time. Wow, it's kind of taking long, but I can have some of the detail about the instance right here. Let's go back again and try. Okay, the instance is up and running now. So my EC2 instance ID, instance is up and running. If I click on that, I'll have all the information regarding instance ID, public IP. You have the detail right here, Amazon Linux, you know, all the details are right here. You have the security group right here, the security group, the inbound rule and outbound rule. So All right, so this is kind of how you create an Amazon EC2 instance. I'm gonna go back right here. I see I have, let me refresh it. Yeah, I have two instances. One is terminated and then one is up and running. If I click on the instance running, I can see my EC2 instance up and running. So yeah, this is kind of how you create EC2 instance on Amazon AWS.